Every mosaic artist is always on the lookout for new and beautiful tessera to use in their mosaics. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you two new ranges of glass tiles that have just been released, which are absolutely stunning. And I'm also going to show you the innovative packaging that these tiles come in. So anyway, let's get into the video. Now the camera is not going to do justice to these tiles. These tiles look absolutely stunning, and they came from a company called Merlin Mosaica, and I'll put their website down the bottom of the screen there in case you would like to go and have a look at their online store to purchase any of these products. Now the first thing you'll notice when you receive your order is the wonderful and innovative packaging that these tiles come in. There's a small and a large. Now you will find that the weights will differ depending on the type of tile that you're purchasing. For instance, the tiles in this one weigh 400 grams, while the tiles in this larger container weigh 800 grams. But like I said, depending on the tile that you're purchasing, those weights will differ. Now what I really love about these containers is that they're stackable, they have screw-on lids, they're reusable, and the containers are PPA-free polypropylene. These containers are going to be so much better for the environment rather than using single-use plastic bags. The other thing I love about them is that the containers are going to make your shelving so much more organized, and you're going to be able to see your tessera that you're choosing for your next mosaic project so much easier than shuffling through plastic bags. Now I thought what I would do is quickly go through the range of tiles that I have in front of me, and then after that I would grab my QEP Extreme double-wheeled nippers and also my Lepinette double-wheeled nippers, and we'll just do some cutting with some of these tiles and see how they perform. Now the tiles from here across to here are the Lunar range. They are the glow-in-the-dark tiles. The range from here across to here is the Metallica range. All the tiles are 25mm square, except for the Lunar Moonlight Minis. They are 12mm. That's the Moonlight ones in the 25mm size. They are iridized. The Lunar Aquarius are iridized, and the Lunar Sky are not iridized. The Lunar range, being the glow-in-the-dark range, can be fully submerged. They are suitable for pools, fountains, and spas. Now the glow effect has been designed to have a lifespan equal to that of the tiles themselves. It is produced by using non-toxic materials. And the tiles are suitable for all areas, like I said, for pools and spas. Now the tiles are charged automatically by exposure to natural or artificial light, and the longer the exposure, the stronger the effect. The glow-in-the-dark effect will last approximately 8 hours when fully charged, and that charge will start to diminish after 5 to 6 hours. Now the Metallica range from there across to here is not suitable to be submerged, nor is it suitable for high traffic areas. So what I thought I'd do is I'll just pick up some of these and have a really close look at them with the camera. So we've got the Lunar range and the Mini. Well, I won't put the Mini up there because I'll use that one. And then we have the Metallica Steel, which I just really love that. And then we have the Metallica Copper, which is what's inside this big container. And then we have the Metallica Gold, which I really love. Actually, I really love all these tiles. It's very hard to choose my favorite. And then we have the Metallica Vanilla Pearl. And I'll put a couple of those there that you can see those. And the Metallica Platinum, Metallica Rust, which is that one there, Metallica Onyx and Pearl and Snow, and then the Metallica Bronze, which is that one there. And I don't know whether the camera is going to pick up on all that, but they look absolutely stunning. Such a beautiful variety of colours and textures, and there's more on the way. So stay tuned. But they look absolutely fabulous. So what I thought I'll do now is I will cut a few of these up and see how they perform. Now I just thought I'd quickly show you just how many tiles are in a large tub. So I thought I'd tip them out and show you. And there's quite a few. There's actually around about 145 tiles here. So it's quite a large amount. And aren't they just so beautiful? Look at those. Fabulous. So that's the large container. Now let's have a look at the small container. And the small container, that's around 70 tiles. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, let's see how some of these cut. We'll try the Lunar Sky, which is a glow in the dark, with the QEP Extreme double wheeled nippers. Beautiful. Pretty straight cut. And we'll try that now with the Lepinette double wheeled nippers. Cuts pretty good with those too. We'll try the minis now. Very nice. Actually, they would look really good in a mosaic standing upright like that. I do like the very small ones too. So let's try those with the Lepinettes and see how they cut. Yep, really good. Let's try some textures, shall we? Let's go for the metallic steel. Really like those. Really nice, actually. Beautiful. Really nice. Okay, now let's see how they go at shaping. So what I'm going to do is I'll try the metallic gold and I'll draw a circle. Very rough circle. And we'll use the QEP Extremes with these. Don't forget to wear your protective eyewear. Which I'm really happy with that. Probably do a bit more time on tidying it up though, but cutting a circle works really quite well. And now we'll try the same one with the Lepinettes. Really good. And we'll try the last one. We'll try what we go for. The bronze, the metallic bronze. Very nice. And they also nip like very small nips. It works really quite well. We'll try and get the same tile. So that's a little bit different, but it's textured. Now the Lepinettes. It'd be really good if I could, when I draw a line, a round line, it would be really good if I could actually draw a round line. There you go. They work really quite well. I would be more than happy to use these in a project, whether it's a straight line or whether it's a circle. I really think cutting is a breeze. I love the look of them. I think they look really, really amazing. They cut well, like I said, and I really love the textures on the ones that have textures. I really, really do love this particular product range. I think what we might do now is look at the lunar ones, the glow-in-the-dark ones, the Moonlight, the full-size 25mm ones, and see what they look like at night, to see the glow-in-the-dark, to see how they look. So I think we'll look at that now. Well, it's not the best photo that I've taken, but it does give you a pretty good idea of what the lunar moonlight glow-in-the-dark tile is going to look like at night. And this is a 25mm one that I've actually got up on screen now. Now, like I said earlier in the video, I really, really do love the way that these tiles look during the day. So having them glow at night is just going to be an added bonus. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget, there's more product being added to this current range, so I'm going to look forward to actually seeing that when it arrives. Now, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've taken something away from it. If you have any comments, put them down in the bottom of the comments section of the YouTube channel. In the description box of this video is also some links to some products and also some other videos I think you might be interested in. And I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.